Hey guys, it's me, Lefty, once again today, and welcome back to some more gmod. Today, we are just going to be messing around in gmod again. So yeah. So I don't know what I should do, but I'm just going to be messing around and stuff. And actually, you know what now? I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to check out these World War II guns and kill some zombies. Some zombies. Zombies. Oh god. Taste these bullets. Oh. 9. Stay back. Get away from me. Ah! No! Oh. Die. Oh god. Help me. Oh, okay, they're dead now, so it doesn't matter. My game is really... Oh, it's a noob tube! Oh, they exploded. That zombie had a bad day. Next gun. Oops, that's not what I meant to hit. Ah! No way! Hey, back up. Get away from me. Get the fudge away from me. Get the fudge away from me. I don't know you like that, so get back. This is Gargusta M/45. Woo! Hey now. Running. Just keep running and to be okay. Oh god. Ah, no! I got stuck on zombie dead bodies. Get out of here. That freaking zombie went flying. Alright. Time for some rifles. Let's go, suckers. Die. Hey, yo! Watch your back up. Get out of here. I said, get out of here. I said, get out of here. Get out of here. Okay, this gun sucks. Oh, frick. Die. Okay, this gun's terrible, so I'm guessing that one is... Yo, man, back it up. Oh yeah, guys, we're being joined by... Ouch! Yo, whacker. We're being joined by Shadow Bonnie in this video. I'm pretty sure that's who joined, actually. Yeah, Shadow Bonnie. Shadow Bonnie in this video? So, yeah. Oh, I saw that freaking bird. Sounds like a freaking bird there. Oh! Ah! No! Get away from me! No! Die! Sniper! Get the fudge away from me, you fudging zombies! Yo! Alright, you wanna go? You wanna go, fools? You wanna go? Yo, oh god, lag. Dang! Wow. Wow. Whether that's an air. Ooh. Sniper rifle. Alright. Try me. Try me. Jesus, this gun is so terrible. But it is cool. Alright, 6, let's go. Second. 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 Ah! You mother trucker. You mother trucker. Yeah. Mother trucker. Ah! Run! Oh god, my game. What's up, Doc? You know you entered my game when I was recording, right? Where? There he is. Oh. What's up, Dak? I said, what's up, Dak? You know, I was recording that too. Ah, you missed.
But there's a dead spring trap.
Did you literally kill yourself?
Well, I have to join somebody because a friend told me I have to join them. Sorry.
Okay. Well, Shadow Bonnie's gone. So, oh, holy crap, I did not mean to do that. Ow. I'm just gonna lay here and take a nap. Oh god, my game is lagging so much. Alright. Ooh, trench shovel. Trench shovel. I'll beat a zombie's head in. Come on, Sarah. Come on, Sarah. Let's go. I'm stuck. What am I stuck on? What's this nonsense? I know! Frickin' battery. Ah, run away! How's that shovel taste? How's that shovel taste? Ouch, you! Alright, round 2, sucker. Let's go. Let's go. Round 2, sucker. Oh, I missed Missed him. Hit him. Missed him. Hit him. Ouch. Hit him. Hit him. He hit me. Get it? Would you die already? In real life, with a trench shovel, you would already be dead. Alright, you know what? What? What's good? Oh my god. I love doing videos and playing this game, it's awesome. But anyways, guys. I forgot to put my camera down. So anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And tell me if you want me to play any other games besides gmod in the comments down below. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.